we're totally out of energy. What a beat.
Oh yeah, we definitely need a break. I've got something for you. Come on, grab your envelopes. Saja Boys are heading to the cardboard vacation. And Huntrix are off to the fluffy one. Cardboard and fluffy. Let's hit the road. We're going on holiday. To get on the plane, you need to pass through the scanners.
Okay. Already through.
Wait for me!
Oops, my ears. Yeah.
Outfit change.
You look cool.
Time to board the plane. Girls, now it's our turn. Yes, let's go. Hurry. My turn. Oh, wait for me. Awesome.
Oh, what a cute plane.
Total luxury. Look at these seats. So soft.
Yeah, makes me want to fall asleep right here.
Where is it? Oh, not here either.
What's going on, Zoe?
Girls, we forgot our swimsuits. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, Zoe. I'll make them for you in no time. I'll need some soft blue plush fabric. I place a swimsuit pattern on it, trace it with a marker, and carefully cut it out. Let's try it on. Perfect. I'll add a blue belt, and you're ready to swim.
Wow, that swimsuit looks amazing.
We want ones like that too.
Of course.
Mira, yours will be pink, and Rumi, you'll get a purple one. I'm adding chenille wire belts, and done.
Thank you. Now we're totally ready to have some fun. Yay! Whoa, what a plane! Everything is so fluffy!
It's so soft and comfy here.
It really is super cool here. Woohoo!
Welcome aboard. Oh my gosh, is that Gazelle? I'm your biggest fan.
Gazelle, your fans find you even here. Will you give me your autograph?
Of course. Here's my lucky pen. There you go.
Thank you so much. Could you sing something?
Absolutely. My lucky microphone is always with me.
Attention, attention! We'll be landing soon.
Yes. Time to get our vacation stuff ready. Where's our suitcase? It's right here. But there's just cardboard scraps in here. Oh no, we forgot everything. Oh, what do we do? Can you help us?
Don't worry, I've got this. What can we even make with these? Probably nothing useful. Might as well throw them out. Instead of scraps, let's grab a whole sheet of cardboard and some tape. The tape actually just ran out, but this cardboard ring will come in handy. I'm cutting a strip of cardboard and wrapping it around the ring. Ta-da! We've got a swim ring. On another piece of cardboard, let's draw a dinosaur. It's best to use a pencil so you can erase and fix any mistakes. You can follow along with me. Next, we cut out our template. Now we need to color this dinosaur. I'm going with green for the main body. For the details, I'm picking other colors to make it more fun. Time to color our swim ring. I'm using the same colors as for the dinosaur. I'm gluing both pieces together. And I'm also making a cardboard diving mask and flippers. Guys, come here.
Wow!
Nick, you get the mask. You hold the ring. And you get the flippers.
Wow, what a cool mask. But not as cool as my ring.
Move aside. You haven't seen my flippers yet. Check them out.
Hey bro, where are you? Come on, catch up.
Coming. Wait, I'm wearing flippers. I can't go that fast. Oh wow, it's our fluffy pool.
Whee! Where's the water? Where's all the fun stuff?
Don't worry, I'll fix that. Just give me a little time. I'm taking a round cardboard cylinder and cutting it vertically. Then I trim little triangles along the edge and glue them together to make folds. Have you guessed what it's gonna be? Now I'm shaping a slide, adding some stairs. Look how cool it's turning out. And my favorite part, painting it. First the steps, then the whole slide. All done.
Wow, I'm going first. I'll just go sunbathe then. And I'll hang out here for now. Whoa, that slide's so tall. Where's the water?
Don't panic, it's coming. I'm taking a sheet of blue paper and running it through the shredder. There, now we've got water. You can slide down.
Whoa, this is awesome! So much fun. I'm coming too, Genu. You guys look hilarious. Aren't you hot up there? 6, 7. Hey, come on, guys.
Hey, what was that? I'm all wet.
Me too. Here, let me help.
Oh, a pool! Let's swim! Let's do it! But there's no water here. How are we supposed to swim? Relax, I'll fix this right now. All right, let's fill the pool with fluffy water made of blue pom-poms. Awesome, but where are the lounge chairs? I'll set them up now. And here they are, your fluffy lounge chairs. Thanks. This is an amazing vacation. Yeah, fabulous. Oh, the sun's so bright. I urgently need sunglasses. No problem, Gazelle. Here you go. Judy, put yours on too. And you, Snake. This is awesome. Who wants to swim with a ring? Me, I do. Woohoo! Girls, come here, it's so much fun. Jumping in. Wow. Make way. I want to go down the slide too. My turn, my turn. Woohoo! Woo! Yay, you did it!
Good job!
Let's have a pom-pom fight.
Oh, you're so going down, Rumi. Hey, Genu, you asleep? Hey! Yep, out cold. I've got an idea. Let's draw a mustache on him with sunscreen. Guys, can you keep it down? What's going on? Why are you laughing? You look hilarious, Genu. Can somebody please tell me what's so funny? If you know what they're laughing at, tell us in the comments. Here, Genu, take a look in the mirror. Ah, I get it now. Ha ha ha, very funny. I seriously need to get my cool guy rep back. Can you make me a surfboard? Of course. I'm taking a piece of cardboard and drawing the outline of a surfboard. Then I carefully cut it out with a craft knife. I'm adding a thin cardboard strip around the edge and drawing some palm trees with markers to set the mood. Look, it's turning out pretty great, right? I'll add aloha on top and attach a little chain for the strap. Here you go, Genu. Whoa, let's test it out. Awesome, now I'm officially the coolest. Check it out, I can even surf on one leg. See that, girls? Hey, Genu, show us another trick. All right, watch this. I can even do it on my head. I think I'm losing my balance. Whoa.
This is great, but I want real adventures. Let's think of something else. I've got an idea. Do you have any suggestions? Yes, take a look. Surfing's already happened. We don't want that. No, definitely not snorkeling. Is there something more exciting? Ooh, it's a banana boat. This is perfect for us. Yes, we want the banana boat. I'll make an attraction for the girls. A banana boat. I'll need some regular aluminum foil. I'll tear off a small piece and crumple it, shaping it like a banana. I'll wrap it with more foil. It looks so much like one. Now I need to make it fluffy. I'm taking some yellow faux fur, cutting it into strips, applying hot glue to the banana shape, and covering it with the fur. A quick brush up. Then I'll take green chenille stems, wrap them around the base of the banana, and add a small piece to the other end. Next, I'll attach 3 handles made from the same chenille wire and fluffy pontoons on the sides. I think it turned out to be an excellent attraction. Girls, everything's ready. Go ahead. Wow, what a cool banana boat. Let's get on, girls. Are you ready? Yes. Yes! Whoa, this is so much fun. Yeah! Wow! We want to have fun too. Okay, guys, I've got an idea. I'll need a curved cardboard scratcher. I'm peeling off the paper, taking a pizza box, placing the scratcher on its side on the cardboard, and tracing around it. I think I had a utility knife here somewhere. I'm cutting out 2 cardboard strips with it. I'm spreading hot glue on the sides and attaching the cardboard strips to them. We can help you color the slide. Awesome, I have markers. We need something cooler.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. How about some spray paint cans?
I'll take orange.
I'll take green.
And I'll take 2.
Let's go.
Look how cool this turned out. Mine too.
We gave the slide a Zootopia makeover. And from these toilet paper rolls, we'll make an inflatable tube for writing. We'll need a few rolls. We'll trim them and hot glue them together. The base is ready. We'll glue a cardboard bottom to it. Now we'll take colorful markers and color it in. You can also take Zootopia-themed printouts and stick them onto the tube. Guys, everything's ready. We've got a slide! And not just a slide, but a tube too. Whoa, this is fantastic! Race ya, let's go! Oh, stop. I'll give you instructions first. We'll get into the tube one by one and carefully slide down. Okay, I'm first. Wow, cool! My turn now. Yeah, awesome! And now, all together. Woohoo! Cool, I want to capture this. Will you take our picture, please? Huh? Of course. 1, 2, 3. This is pure bliss.
Nice.
What an epic vacation.
Here, have some cocktails to go with your chill time.
This is amazing! Oh, looks like my drink's already gone. It was so good.
Time to relax, girls. Here are some nourishing face masks. One for you, Zoe, one for you, Mira, and one for you, Rumi. Let me put on some sunscreen. Give you a little foot massage and a face massage, too.
Oh wow, that feels so good.
Total chill.
Best vacation ever. Phew.
Where's all this foam coming from?
Wow, look at all that foam! We can have a real foam party!
Woohoo! No, seriously, where did it all come from? Awesome! Now this is a party! Yeah! Let's add even more! Woohoo! Great idea for a party, but we're missing one thing. Music. Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's have fun! Woohoo! Let's dance!
What a great party we had!
You guys are having so much fun! So cool!
This is awesome!
Totally epic!
That was one awesome vacation.